Catherine Bernardo update. Yung workout day ngayon ni Catherine kasama Coach Mauro. May paghahanda na yan bukas sa bench fashion show. Body of work, yun o. Naka-flexing si Catherine. At advance happy birthday kay Catherine. May pa-birthday din. And, yung Pilipinas Got Talent family. Birthday kay Catherine. Very accommodating si Catherine sa mga fans niya. Nabawaw pa nga sila eh. Sa legs ni Catherine, no? Outfit niya. Nalayan na siya ni Kuya Roby.
Ang PGEC sa 7 niya, 20 sa March 29 and March 30.
29 to 30 na, napalabas.
Nagtulog na lang.
Nagtulog na lang, di ba?
Ang Pilipinas Got Talent. Kaya may mga judges. Ang Pilipinas Got Talent. Ito yung behind the scene ni Catherine for Pilipinas Got Talent. Ang ganda ni Catherine. Ayan, mga behind the scene. Ang Pilipinas Got Talent. Kasama yung mga judges. Ayan sila Catherine Bernardo, Donnie Pangilinan, Eugene Domingo at Freddy Garcia. Abangan sila sa March 29 at saka 30. Ito yung interview kay Catherine.
I'm at the point, and I'm turning 29 right, in a few days. So I'm at the point in my life again wherein I feel so lost. And I felt this. I remember when I parang gave a message for a Thanksgiving party for House of Us. This was the same feeling. I didn't expect na mapipili ko ulit to, pero siguro it's part of you know, adulting and growing. And nararamdaman ko siya ngayon, just like everybody else. I don't know kung nararamdaman ko talaga kapag medyo ganitong age ka na, but it's hitting me hard. And to be honest, I'm so scared, I'm so lost, but I think it's so brave na every day I show up, just like what Donnie said kanina. I show up and I choose to grow and accept all the uncertainties. Because I don't know, bigla ko lang siya na-feel na, of course, after Hello Love Again, and now I'm doing PGP, pero may feeling lang ako na parang iba, and I think siguro birthday blues na to, my quarter life crisis, na parang, what's next for me? Parang feeling all these emotions. So feeling ko it's just brave na tinanggap ko yun. I'm allowing myself to be vulnerable. I have my days. And hindi ko rin tinatago sa mga tao. So now, I think part of me growing is me getting my own place as well. And I think it's like my transition stage. I'd like to call this my transition stage na feeling ko kasi the next coming years is very, very important kasi yun yung magdidictate kung saan ako sa future. It's not na parang, okay, I'm in my early 20s, ito pa, ang dami ko pang time para matuto. Pero ngayon parang iba pala pag magto-29. So I'm feeling that. So feeling ko getting my own place, it's a big adjustment for me, my family, especially my mom. But it's my way of getting to know myself more and growing. So yes, I'm scared. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know if I can do it. But I'm just here for it. I'm just very open and I'm here for growth. So wish me luck in the coming months. I'm just accepting and I just want to feel everything I come.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.